Okay, welcome traders. We're going to do the review here, market review of pound US dollar. A lot of news this week concerning pound and concerning dollar with that interest rate decision that came late Wednesday that caused the dollar to gain strength. Right. Now remember, as I said, this is probably going to be your last good week of trading. You understand that this is probably going to be your last good week of trade. I mean, this was your last week, and this week I wouldn't recommend you trade. I'll say just go and enjoy your Christmas holiday and your Happy New Year, and be back on the 3rd, 4th of January, somewhere there. Okay, so let's see what happened this previous week. If you watched my previous review, I showed you that pound, it dropped after holding out for most of the last week, and this week we saw a false move in the beginning of the week going up to Wednesday and then a drop, but importantly, as you can see, still seeming to bounce back from this previous low. It just kind of pinned it. The dealer just kind of pinned it. That's what I'm saying. 124.80, we reached lows of 124, around the 124.50 mark, if I'm not mistaken. Let's have a look at that. And as much as it dropped so much, right? 124.70. Okay, so just a little bit below this previous low that we had. So you can see there's still some support in this zone, right? But as I said to you guys, this week is not the time to be trading. This was your last week of trading, and you could have taken some sells. As you can see, the market just went up slightly, and then we had some two big drops. So now, if you sign up with my recommended broker below, depending on when you do, you'll be able to access the rest of this video, which I'm going to show you now, where the trade setups took place. Okay, so let's have a look at that now, right guys? Okay, welcome guys. As I said, remember, more often than not, beginning of the session,